Gaohui Power Supply creates a Chinese power supply brand. Gaohui Power Supply creates world-class power supplies. Facing the fast-changing market, we are always use innovation to continuously sublimate products' value. The company currently covers an area of 5,000 square meters, has more than 100 employees, and has an annual production capacity of 20,000 units. Gaohui Power Supply focuses on surface treatment, special rectifier equipment, and the designing and manufacturing of high-frequency power supply fields. Gaohui Power Supply establishes a professional R&D team to develop the market, meet customers' needs, and provides the best solutions to customers. Under the efforts of a highly responsible production and processing team, every orders, every product is extremely attentive. Workers strictly control quality. In the each processing link, products are widely used in electrolysis, pulse, oxidation, water treatment, electrophoresis, electroplating, chrome plating, and special power supply other fields. Good products can withstand the test of the market. We are determined to provide the most valuable product to customers. Let the world fall in love with Gaohui Power Supply.